Hi everyone, welcome to our second part of the video how to create dummy user with roles. So in our previous video we create the dummy user using the user factory class and Tinker. So this time I will show you how you can use uh, Cedar to create the dummy user. What is actually Cedar? So Laravel provides an artisan command seeding your database. So using this artisan command, you can create dummy user data like Tinker. So if you go to a fresh Laravel project directory database, you will see a subdirectory seeder where you can see database seeder, which is a function, but we'll not focus on this database seeder class, but I will tell you when you should use it. We'll create a custom seeder class uh, like user seeder. If you check the documentation of uh, if you check the documentation of database seeding class, you will see how you artisan command how you can create a user seeder. So if I click uh, okay, if you see this artisan command, this command will create a seeder class. Let's copy this and let's out of Tinker. Paste this command. Let's copy again. Paste this one. If you press enter, you can see our user seeder class is created. So here we will use the factory in factory in if you see we define our user factory. So using this user factory we will create the user seeder. But how? So if you remember, we put this artisan command uh, so we put this artisan command to create the user. So I will copy this. Okay, but I have to define the user. Let's import the user. Use app. Then I will go to the model, then user. Okay, if I save this one, what happened? Undefined type. We import the user. Let's see why undefined type database seeder user. User is declared but not in used. Why not use? Okay. Before we add this, before the namespace, but we cannot do this. You have to do this after the namespace. Okay, the error is gone. So now our user seeder is also defined. So what is the artisan command to run this seeder? So before doing this, we will fresh our database using PHP artisan migrate fresh. And if you check our database, okay, there is no user, and we will use this which one, okay, we will use this artisan command. So if you see the artisan command, we are calling to run the, we are trying to call the seed database seed, and which class, user seeder class. So our class name here is also user seeder, and we will run this artisan command. Okay, seeding database. So let's check if our database is populate with the user. Yes, we can see our database is populate with the user, and first one is one, then two, then okay, everything working very fine. So when should you use this database seeder class? If you have multiple instance, like user or any model instance need to seed, we you can use here, like the documentation said, you can pass multiple instance here, and if you call the seeding class without any define undefined the class, you can, if you call this class, and this will run all this seeder class, and your database will be filled with this fake data. So this is how you can use the seeding class, and this is for all now. If you want more tutorial, you can comment on my video section, so I will put videos on your demand. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.